Good day everyone, I'm April J. De Leon from .bat2b. In this video, I would like to explain to you my own topic, which is globalization. So let's start. Define globalization. Globalization refers to the increasing interconnectedness of the world economies, societies, and cultures through the expansion of international trade, investment, technology, and communication. Next, discuss the positive and negative effects of globalization. Positive effects: increased trade and investment. Globalization facilitates and free flow of goods, services, and capital across borders. Number 2, specialization and efficiency. Countries can specialize in producing goods and services where they have a comparative advantage. Last one, poverty reduction. Increased trade and investment can create jobs, raise incomes, and reduce poverty, especially in developing countries that integrate into the global economy. Next, the negative effects of globalization. Number 1, economic inequality and exploitation. Number 2, loss of cultural identity. Number 3, environmental degradation. 4, undermining local economies. Public health concerns, cultural homogenization, exploitation of labor and human rights violation, environmental degradation, threats to local agriculture, and lost national sovereignty and deforestation. Topic C. Explain the role of international financial institutions in shaping and supporting the global economy. So, the international financial institution, IFIs, like IMF, and World Bank are vital for the global economy. They stabilize economies during crises, fund development projects in poorest nation, and promote international trade. So, that's all. Thank you.